So today I'm reviewing the light bar from Asda Tec, company in England. I think it's equivalent to your Walmart over the pond. I just needed a little bit of interesting light to put in my background shots, so I thought I'll start cheap. This was around £15. Yeah, let's get this open and have a look what it looks like inside. As I always say, I always use these. Fantastic for people with disabilities, manual dexterity, they can order exactly how they want it. This one's about 12 months old. Tell you what we'll do first, tell you what's on the back. So it says on the box on the back, features: control the lights, colours with the remotes, connectivity, USB-A, let's have a look where it says it's in the box, a light bar, the stand and the remote. We've got the general picture of what it should look like, and your normal stuff at the bottom. So opening it up, just use this and I just realised there's little perforations there, you can just open it. Well done, I was definitely making things easier. Hey, we get a bit of cardboard. Let's pull this out. Let's see that's there. So little light, I did not see that, just did it. Thought it might have a little tail. Anyway, it's got a little light. No, it's not. It's not got a little light, it's got a little lead. And there's no actual connection. It's hardwired into the actual light, which makes things a bit more simple. And then in the box we have some instructions as per usual. Give it a shake. Hey! A colourful black box. I think he's upside down. Yep, there we go. There's that. And a little stand. Let's see how easy this is to do. If I can do it on camera in my hands, then it should be no problem for anybody else. Okay, let's hold it properly so I can put it. There we go. Seesaw. Anyway, yeah. There's the light, there's the remote. I have a connection socket next to me. Well, there's the remote without the cellophane on it. Simple little pulley thing, so it starts working. Let me find how I can plug this in and then I'll come back. Just to note how long the cable is, because I seem to do this quite a lot. I keep forgetting to tell you how long the cable is, so might as well open it whilst I'm filming. It's about 1 metre long, so you'd have to factor that in for wherever you're going to have it. So all I've done at this moment is plugged it in. I've not actually looked at it myself. That's going to be annoying. Label's upside down. Anyway. So I'm just going to go through each colour one by one and press each colour individually just to run through the colours and what is available. I'll speed in the video up a bit just so we can get through it a bit quicker. It says pink on the remote. That colour also has a white, which actually looks blue in real life, so maybe it looks supposed to look white on the screen. We have flash, so that just goes through the different colours. And we have smooth, I presume it's going to do like a fade. I hope it does exactly the same thing, so let me see if I can smooth between different colours, going really slow. If that's smooth, this is fade. So I think that fades on and off. We'll change the colour while it's on fade. Let's put it on the red and you can see that better. On fade. No, goes straight back to blue and press fade. It's probably flickering on your screen. Let's see if we can adjust. Oh, my ISO's quite low. Right, Don't get this. It says flash, smooth, fade, and smooth. So the difference between smooth, we have smooth and smooth. Which don't really seem to do very much, does it? Yeah, okay, we've got an on and off button and we've got a brightness button. That's maximum brightness anyway. Honestly, this isn't doing anything. Just press and hold it maybe. No, maybe put it on one single colour and try it. Alright, now it's dimming a bit. Dim, 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 dim. What's going on? Then it goes brighter, 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 brighter. So yeah, can't expect much for the money that I paid for it. I just wanted a bit of interesting light in the background of some of my videos. Let me know if you want me to test any other products that are around a similar price before you go out and waste your money. If I can waste my money first for you, then I'm able to do that, then I will do that. Just one last thought. The reason why I bought this was because I like the look of this. Oops, upside down. I like the look of this like ombre look. That obviously wasn't an actual feature. So yeah, you get clickbait in real life too.